Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. Today I have got a banking stock which is actually on very good level at its buying level, and it has given a breakout also. It is on all time high, trading on all time high also. So it's very important to discuss this stock with you all. So, to know the buying level of this stock for the long term only, I'm talking about long term, not short term, not trading idea. So, it is an investing idea. I'm talking about long term. I will give the buying level for long term. To know the buying level, stay connected till then and smash the like button now. So, let's start with the name of the stock. This stock is actually banking from banking sector, and it is a top. It comes under the four top stock. It is Axis Bank. I am showing the fundamental. First, I will discuss the fundamental. Then I will go to the technical levels of this stock. So, if you see fundamentally, yes, I will compare the peers also. This is actually number four stock after STFC, ICICI, and Kotak Bank. You can see the comparison also here. And yes, one more important thing I want to discuss, that this has posted a good Q4 result also. So it was not very good, but yes, it was okay. If we discuss the market cap, according to the market cap, it is, yes, of course, on number 4. This is the 3 lakh 699, means if we say 3 lakh 700 के आसपास इसका मार्केट कैप है, जो कि नंबर बैंकिंग स्टॉक में नंबर 4 पर है, विच इज द टॉप मोस्ट बैंकिंग स्टॉक. सो मार्केट कैप इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड, लार्ज कैप है. और P I have discussed it is undervalued, good on good valuation. Dividend yield, yes, yield is not good. Yes, zero point 0.1, I don't prefer. Zero point 0.1 dividend yield is good. So okay, now we'll discuss the ROC. ROC बैंक में हम नहीं देखते because ये डेट पे ही काम करते हैं. So डेट इक्विटी भी नहीं देखते. Will not check these two thing for the bank stock. And if we go to ROE, the good, if I'll say the in चारों बैंकों में the best RO is of Axis Bank. This is 19.50, means almost 20% ROE है Axis Bank का, which is very good. EPS is also very good, 35.16. प्लस शेयर कोई भी नहीं है, जीरो जीरो. और फ्री कैश फ्लोज भी बैंक का 20,697 है फ्री कैश फ्लो. सो ओवरऑल कंपनी का फंडामेंटल इज वेरी गुड, मीन्स बीटिंग द टॉप मोस्ट बैंक ऑल्सो. इट्स वेरी गुड बैंक, और वी कैन keep it for the long term. Result was also good. So now let's discuss the buying level for long term. So let's go to the chart of Axis Bank. So now we have come to the chart of Axis Bank. Let's discuss what's happening in Axis Bank. I am discussing the weekly base. I'm discussing on weekly basis. So let's see what is happening on weekly basis, because I will discuss for the long term. So if you see, it is actually trading on all time high. Yes, it is trading on all time high. And the stock which is trading on all time high, we say it is actually gives very good up move. So uh, it is making a it is making actually the rounding bottom also, and rounding bottom breakout also it has given. This stock has given the rounding bottom breakout, and it is on weekly chart looking very good. On weekly chart, it is looking very good. For long term, it has given a breakout also, making rounding bottom pattern. And if we see, very soon we can see the 1100 level for the Axis Bank. Yes, I'm not talking about short term, yeah, mid term to long term में कुछ महीनों में, for few months it can give the good up move. यस, क्योंकि अभी ऑलरेडी ये ऊपर जा चुका है. सो लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए you can buy this stock. Where you can buy? Yes, it has, as it has given the breakout, it will definitely retest also. May come to this level 968 के आसपास, 970 to 968 के आसपास आ सकता है. And here it can again start for this level. Then it can start the journey for this level. So if we talk about the buying level, the buying level can be here at 960 5 के आस, यस 965 के आसपास, 68 के आसपास एक अच्छा बाइंग लेवल हो सकता है. हियर till here Axis Bank can retest and then again start the journey for the 1100. So yes, of course it will take time, and Axis Bank always works very slow, but yes, it will definitely go to this level. Buying level can be 968 for the Axis Bank for long term. First you can hold it for the target of 1100, and then after that 1150 plus also will come again with the new strong stock with the buying level. Stay connected to the channel. Signing off.